Hello students, welcome to all. Again today we are going to continue Ncert Exemplar, which is a very important part for class 11 and other competitive exams like NEET and JEE. So you must solve Ncert Exemplar, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel so that it will be helpful to you. So let's start the class. First question is the number of significant figures in this one. So here you have to remember the rule, that is before the non-digit zero, these two zero are known as preceding zero. So you have to remember that preceding zeros are not countable. So this one will be not countable and this one will be also not countable, and these two zeros after non-zero digits are known as trailing zeros. So trailing zeros are always countable after decimal. So total number of significant figure, these four. So right answer will be option B. Next one, the sum of the numbers in appropriate significant figures is. So first you have to add these three numbers. So let's add 227.2 and 0.301. So 218.4 6 and 6. Now you have to check that among these three numbers, which one has the least decimal place. So this one has the least number after this one has the least digit after decimal point. So it has only one digit, and this one has two and this one has three. So this one has the least number after decimal point. So I have to reduce after decimal to one place. So check this number is less than 5. So obviously first the digit before it, this one will not be changed. So final answer will be 664.8. If this digit is greater than 5, then you have to increase this digit by 1. So final answer will be sorry, this one will be 3. This one will be 3. So final answer will be option C. Next question, the mass and volume of a body are given. The density of the material of the body in correct significant figures is. So first you have to find out density. The formula of density is mass by volume. Put here 4.237 by 2.5. Okay, now you have to calculate this one, and this one will come as 1.6948. Now check which one has the least digit after decimal point, that is this one, only one digit. So you have to reduce this after decimal point to one place. Now this one is greater than 5, so this digit will be increased by 1. So final answer will be 1.7. Right answer option C. Next one, the numbers on rounding up to 3 significant figures will give. The first number is 2.745. Now check this digit. If the last digit is 5, then you have to check the rule of even or odd. Look at this number before this digit 5. It is even. If the digit is even, then it will remain unchanged. So finally the answer will be 2.74, and this number is 2.735. This one is also 5, the last digit is 5, but this digit before 5 is odd, so it will increase by 1. For odd, the digit will increase by 1. For even, the digit will remain unchanged. This is the rule only if the digit is 5. So final answer will be 2 point, sorry, this one is 2.474. So final answer will be 2.74 and 2.74. So option D is the right answer. Next one, the length and breadth of a rectangular sheet are given. The area of the sheet in appropriate significant figure and error is. So first we should find out the value of area. Formula of area is area equals to length into breadth. So multiply these two. 26361. The area is 163.62 centimeter square. Now I have to find out error. So for error, delta A by A equals to delta L by L plus delta B by B. I think this question has something missing. Okay, I have to take here the error in length because it is measured in meter scale. So the error will be centimeter scale, so error will be 0.1 centimeter. That is the least division of the scale that we use in our daily life. So delta L and delta B both will be 0.1. If you look the scale, the minimum division is zero point 0.1 centimeter. So here delta L and delta B both will be 0.1 centimeter. Now put here 0.1 and L is given 16.2 plus delta B 0.1 and B 10.1. Now calculate it. This one multiply. Now this will be 10.1 plus 16.2. So final answer will be 0.36 and 2 by 163.62. So delta A equals to A into this value 26 0.3 by 163.62. Now put a 163.62 into 26.3 by 26.3 by this one will be 1.01 and this one will be 1.62. So finally it will be 2.63. Now cut it. So final answer will be 2.63. 2.63. Now you should round up it. Only one up to one place, because this two digit has only one digit after decimal point. So this one is less than 5. Obviously the 6 will be unchanged. So final answer is error is 2.6 and actual data is this one. So 1.63.62 and error is option B is the right answer. Which of the following pairs of physical quantities does not have same dimensional formula? So work done has the dimensional formula of ml square t to the power minus 2 and torque means r cross f. So it will be obviously ml square t to the power minus 1. So work done and torque both have the same dimensional formula. Now check angular momentum. Angular momentum means mvr. Angular momentum mvr. m l t to the power minus 1 and r is also l. So here m l square t to the power minus 1 and Planck constant E equals to h nu. Nu is the frequency. So h will be energy by frequency. The dimension of energy is ml square t to the power minus 2 and frequency means 1 by time period. So it will be time to the power minus 1. So m l square t to the power minus 1. So angular momentum and Planck constant both have the same dimensional formula. So it will also correct. Now check next one. Surface tension. Tension or surface tension. Tension and surface tension. Tension means force. Okay. And surface tension means force by length. So tension and surface tension don't have the same dimensional, because tension is only force and surface tension means force by length. So right answer is tension and surface tension. Next one. Measure of two quantities along with the precision of respective measuring instrument is A and B. The value of AB. First multiply AB, the actual value of A, this one, and actual value of B, this one. So multiply these two. 2.5 into 0.10. So this will be 50 and this. Now find out the error. Error will be delta A by A plus delta B by B. Delta A is given this one 0.5 and A 2.5 plus delta B, this one 0.01 by 0.10. So this will be, sorry, this will be point 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means 0.2, and this one is 1 by 10, 0.1, so 0.3. Now let denote is as x, then this one will be delta x by x. Now you have to find out delta x, so delta x equals to x into this one 0.3, x into 0.3, x is 0.250 into 0.3, so it will be 75 and 0, 75 and 0, and 1 2 3 4, this one. So actual value will be 0.25 plus minus the error. The error is this part 0.0750. Now you have to reduce this up to one place. 0.75. Okay, 0.75. So the answer will be 0.25 plus minus. Now reduce this, so this digit is 5, then it will be point, and this digit is odd, so it will increase by 1, 0.08. This will be the final answer. So option A is the right answer. Next one, we measure two quantities A and B. We should report correct value of root over of AB. So first find out the actual value root AB. So A is 1 and B is 2. So root over of 3. Root over of 3 means 1.414. Now find out the error. So delta x by x equals to half delta A by A plus half delta B by B, then half delta A by A, delta A, this one 0.2 by 1 plus half delta B 0.2 by 2, then it will be 0.1 plus 0.1 by 2, 0.1 by 2, 0.05, so 0.15, 0.15, 0.15, 0.15 means, now check, this quantity has only two significant figures and this one also two significant figure. So the actual value will be 1.4 up to two significant figures. Then value of root over of AB will be 1.4 plus minus point, and the error is up to 1 decimal place, this one. So you have to reduce this up to 1 decimal place. So 1 decimal place, it will be this 5, and it is odd, so it will increase by 1, so 0.2. This will be the right answer, option D. Next one, which of the following measurement is most precise? Here after decimal, each number has only two figures, so all are looking same, but here the units are different. So if we use the smaller unit, then we get precise measurement. So here the among these options, millimeter is the smallest unit, so right answer will be option A. And the last one is, the mean length of an object is 5 centimeter. Which of the following measurement is most accurate? Then you have to find out the deviation or absolute error. Absolute error, check in this option, that is mean minus original value or true value. So mean is 5 and original value is 4.9, so here is deviation is 5 minus 4.9, that means 0.1, and this one will be 5 minus 4.0505, so subtract it, and this one will be 5 minus 5.25, so this will be minus 0.25, and this one will be 5 minus 5.4, so it will be minus 0.4, minus 0.4. Now take all only magnitude, so it will be mod, and it will be mod, so 0.25, 0.4, and it will be like 1.95, 1.95, 0.195. Now check which one has the least value. This one gives the least difference, so most accurate is option A. The deviation is, if the deviation is minimum, then the measurement is most accurate. Okay, here you can see that this option has the least deviation, so it will be the accurate. So that's all for today.